Brogus Christmas Lifehacks calendar. Buldak and Aioli, I'm gonna teach you how to make it. This is the one, stew. Alright, step one, we're gonna need to make a quick aioli. Step one, get a mixing bowl. The ingredients, you need 2 eggs, some oil and garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Step 2, put your ingredients in the bowl. Put there. And there it made aioli. Oh! Alright, there you go, homemade aioli. Right there. Step 2, get your Buldak stew type in here. Here's the secret price you want. You want this one. Take sauce, add to aioli, right? Add it in there. Just mix them up. Start mixing them. There you go, until it's good and mixed up. And then what you do is you get one of these containers, right? You can buy this at the mart for like $2. Put your out aioli in, you know. It's somehow the perfect size for it. And there you go, spicy out aioli. You know, it's especially perfect for putting inside omelet a little piece. Trick everyone, your family members, into thinking you can cook the food. They'll never know. Brogus Christmas Lifehacks.